Hi, welcome to my SEO for WordPress on how to rank your local business on Google first page. What is this SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. It makes people find you online and to be more discoverable when people search you on internet. If you're wondering on how to rank your local business on first page of Google and on Google local business listing, I'm here to walk you through step by step. Remember, when you finish designing your website, whether WordPress website or any other platform, your website cannot be discovered online or people cannot see you online without you optimizing it. So this training is for you to optimize your website so that people can see you online or search you by typing in one of your keywords and your website will come up. Using keywords and beautiful contents and the key secrets. Keyword is the key for your Google ranking. It is the key that makes your website discoverable. If your website is not on first page of Google, you are missing. Why and how? Remember, if you are trying to purchase an item and people have searched for products, if you're not on first page, you are missing because people always go through first page to buy products. So that is why it's very, very important to optimize your website in such a way that it will appear on first page. So I'm here to do that for you, to help you achieve that, to help you get discovered online. So let me show you an example of what I mean. Page title and meta description. This is your page title or post title of your website. And this is your domain name of your website. Okay? And this is your meta description. Page title is on top of your meta description. You can see I run WordPress trading across UK. So I've used Aberdeen as my local for me to be ranked locally. I have used this in order to outrank my competitors. You can see here WordPress training courses on the page title. I have repeated it here as well. You can see it here and in Aberdeen, Glasgow and the rest of part of UK. So I will show you the secret weapon on how to do this and other things to enable you to achieve this, to make sure that you're always on first page on Google ranking. Okay, so you want your website to be on first page of Google, right? So let's have a look on my own local business to show you where I am on first page of Google, and this was done within less than 5 days. It is not magic. Okay, what are you waiting for? Now let's get started so that I can show you the secret weapon I have used to do this. I'm going straight to the point to show you what I did. Now I run WordPress training. So let me show you and you will believe what I'm saying. Okay, let's go for this. Okay, WordPress training in Aberdeen. Okay, this is me here. You can see me here. This is the title of your business, and this is meta description of your business. And this is me here. These are my keywords. You can see I have repeated my keywords here. My keywords appeared here. Okay, Aberdeen, you can see these are my keywords. Okay, and that's why it highlighted it. So you can see here I'm on Google first page. Let's search for different things altogether. So the secret about this is get a very good keyword. All those keywords you think that people are searching. So this is something that will help you rank you higher. Okay? So let's see this. Learn WordPress Aberdeen. Okay? You can see this is me here as well. I'm on Google first page. Okay? That's me. You will see here I'm on first page. Okay, let's again search different thing altogether. You will see what I mean. Okay, learn WordPress. Learn WordPress one day. Okay, in Aberdeen. Let's put this. You can see me here. I'm on first page. Not only being on first page. I am first on the page. I'm second on the page. Okay? So that shows you I'm talking business. I'll show you this first page. I will show you that this is simple. You need to know the tricks of getting ranked on Google first page. Show you how to list your local business on Google so that when somebody search you, it will also appear there, and that's also it helps to promote your business, also help you to get more money, even traffic. So this that I'm showing you is a way of getting organic search results and not depending on Google Ads. When you finish designing your WordPress website or any other website, it cannot be searched. Nobody will see you on internet or on the web or online. You got to optimize it. If you don't optimize it, it's not gonna work. Remember, this is we have used here Google. Let's also go to Bing. You also see what I mean. Let's go out. Shows that I'm first page. Okay, WordPress trading. Let's see WordPress trading Aberdeen. Let's see this again. That's me here. You can see here I'm this person. This is Bing showing you the result. Let's as well see here okay, let's go here. You can see me here. I am on first page of Google, Bing, or any other search engine you can use to search. You will see me here. I have outranked my local competitors. So what are we waiting for? So quickly enroll, and I will show you the secret weapon I have used to get ranked within less than 5 days. Hope you're excited. Hoping to see you soon.